For Wall Street Media, this is Isabella. I'm here with Doug and we'll help you make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
Hi there.
Hello.
Are you ready? Do we have Leerink highlights today for the nice people?
No. Yes. Don't click away.
Would you like to just talk about yourself some more?
A little bit.
It's already been 2.5 hours. German Mike has blood dripping out of one ear. My left ear is going numb. I'm thinking about running for medical help for a shot.
I enjoy it so much.
I know. Nothing is as fascinating as you.
Mike
this has become almost your blog.
Gestures. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. Oh, wait. I mean, okay. Eric Carter, Chief Scientific Officer at King Pharmaceuticals KG, talked about the sales and marketing of their two drugs on the market, Avinsa and Scalaxin. He talked about their collaboration with Pain Therapeutics in developing Ramoxi to combat the 5.2 million Americans who have abused pain relievers. And... sorry.
What are you looking over here?
I'm the exact same
I just got back 20 minutes ago from a nice pain doctor.
But he was not abusing anything.
No. Not today.
Not today. No.
As soon as you leave.
What I don't know can't hurt me.
That's
Isn't
right.
there a song? And he, who is this he?
It's CEO,
the
of
CEO.
King Pharmaceuticals.
Yeah. He.
This is going to be a big thing. You know, I have legitimate injuries, and it's a real pain in the ass to go get any kind of painkillers. And the Ramoxi is to replace oxycodone, which they should be just handing out to me, because I have serious legitimate injuries, and so many people, little models, young people, at least one category of which you fall into, are abusing that. And they take the oxycodones and crush them up, and then they snort them and everything else, right? So that people with legitimate problems, can't do it. And this Ramoxi makes it much more difficult to be able to abuse. And so they think that that'll be very popular.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, it'll lead to a lot of growth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Wait, so you can't sniff it?
You can't sniff it.
Oh.
And now it's very easy to like crush and attract and break up.
Oh God, I just touched my nose. That was really bad. That's definitely
It's not that bad. I mean, it's the one you were born with. Yeah. Come on, hurry up and finish. We'll talk more about you.
Oh, about me, right?
Okay.
Andy also discussed it. No, just kidding. The license agreement to use Acura's aversion technology platform, for which they recently released top-line results from the phase 3 trial of Acurox tablets, and expect to submit the NDA for this product by the end of this year.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, good news. People, I'm holding on to a couple biotechs right now, some for devices and some for the drugs. And there's an awful lot of things that are in the works now. It's getting closer and closer with the biotechs to actually being delivered and being for sale over the counter.
Oh.
Very interesting for investors.
Yes.
If these people start selling to all the people who abuse, to the doctors who are afraid the people will abuse oxycodone, right? They'll sell an awful lot of pills, and that stock that's at $9.68 could be at $19.68 if that gets approved. Right.
Oh. Lucky to be hearing all this. And about me, too.
One more, then we'll talk about you.
Okay.
Let's talk about nice Mr. Jim Brown, okay?
Nice Mr. Jim Brown, President and CEO of Direct Corporation, DRRX, talked about their alliance with King Pharmaceuticals for Ramoxi and the NDA filed this month. He talked about their injectable post-operative pain control product, Positor, which is administered during surgery and provides up to 72 hours of analgesia. Is that...
yes.
Yeah, okay. Also, he talked about their transdermal patch technology and the collaboration with Endo Pharmaceuticals, as well as their pain patch Eladur.
I have to paint some pain patches in the office.
Wow, that should be that's like somebody really like Tolkien, I think. Whoever named that Eladur. I can just do that.
These guys are up
The
three.
kingdom of Elador is... Oh, sorry.
Come here. You're a very nice girl. I'm going to tell people about stocks now, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to come back to
I
you
just want to think about Elador.
and this world that you live in. Okay.
A happy place.
In this happy... it is happy, and we're happy to have you here. You always lighten our hearts up.
Oh, wow.
DRRX is up... such a lie. Is up 3.5% after hours today. So people must have liked what they said today, German. Pretty good, right? In a pretty tough market. Yeah, we did them last week or 2 weeks ago. Was it at the Needham Biotech? Yeah, we did and there might have been at Blair too, but I'm not sure. Guys, if you look at WSMCO.com, you can do a search for them by ticker and see what we have.
And then you should search Tolkien on Wikipedia and read about his fabulous world. Do we have more?
We have even more, and it's not about you.
Or Tolkien.
Or Tolkien.
Which is a shame.
Yes, I'm very sorry.
He also lived in a happy place. Anyway, sorry. Theodore Schroeder, president and CEO of Cadence Pharmaceuticals, CADX, talked about their strategy to acquire late-stage products to develop and commercialize them. He talked about their ongoing talks. That's a terrible phraseology there. I'm sorry. I have to protest. Anyway, he talked about their ongoing talks with the FDA and answering questions and talking some more about the clinical development program for Celevance for the treatment of fever, for which they should have a response in the next few weeks. He also talked about Omagard for the treatment of catheter-related infections, saying they expect data from a phase 3 trial later this year. He said they hope to submit their NDA for both drugs in the first half of 2009.
See, what happens...
Omagard. And I forgot the other one already, Eludar.
Yes, things kind of... German Mike and I have tended to notice things come and go quickly here, don't they?
Yeah.
There's not a whole lot slowing them down. Once they get through phase 3 trials, then what they do is they submit the NDA as new drug application, and if that's approved, then it becomes for sale to people. I know you guys have...
How long does that take?
Well, sometimes it can take very many years, and that's why this is exciting when he's saying their phase 3 trial ends
first
later this
2009,
year.
Yeah.
Right, and then they're going to put the NDA in first half of 2009, right? Mm-hmm. Then it goes up for sale. I know you guys...
2009. That sounds like the future, doesn't it? I can't believe it's next year.
It is actually the future. 2007
like the
was
future,
the past.
like a science fiction future, like Tolkien would write about or something.
We're really on Tolkien today, aren't we? Sorry. Did you try out for The Hobbit this afternoon or anything?
I don't know why we're on Tolkien today so much. I don't know.
Well, it's not we.
I know why, but it is about me. That would be why.
Oh my God, no!
Because somebody was saying I looked like Liv Tyler today, so then it's in my head.
Really?
Yeah.
So you were talking to blind people earlier?
Why are you so hateful?
No.
What if I started to cry during the show?
Why am I hateful? Think about if Liv Tyler ever watches this. She's going to open her page right on the show.
Nice.
I'm going to be complaining.
Whatever. I don't want to look like her. I heard she has men hands. That's what I heard.
Really?
No, I think she's lovely. Never mind. Just kidding, Liv Tyler.
Let me tell you, she's this many.
Oh, yeah, no. I like her a lot.
Yes, we like Liv Tyler.
We also like men hands.
It's unbelievable how catty they all are. And she wasn't on the cover of The Voice last week, was she?
No,
she was in New York and had to read it. She had to stroll past you, didn't she?
Yeah, whatever. Okay, so anyway.
You and the cow.
Stop talking about me, okay? Please, let's talk about finances and stocks. That's what the good people want to hear about.
Yes, it is.
Not how much more beautiful Liv Tyler is than me. So anyway, please, go on.
Which we could go on for some time.
Yes, we could, yeah.
But this is Cadence Pharmaceutical, who we've worked with for a long time. And Leerink Swann have these expert get-togethers, and they had the Pain Roundtable Conference today in New York. And Tyler was over there.
Oh.
And now
as far away from you as he could.
Yes, Tyler's smarter than he looks. He's a pretty bright kid. And we like all of these, and it's all very exciting with this Ramoxi. I'm going to look into it and listen to them myself this evening and try to see which one's the best one to play to make the biggest upside, because Direct is also working with them, and Cadence have some interesting things. And when they're down here at $6, right? If they get these through phase 3 and submit, each step as it gets closer, the stock is going to go up, right? And very exciting.
Yeah. You know what it is? I had a big soda for lunch.
Merci beaucoup pour votre
the caffeine and the sugar.
Aujourd'hui.
Wow, you speak French so badly. That's extraordinary.
J'ai besoin beaucoup de pratiquer parce que je ne parle souvent depuis 5 ans.
What is it like in one of those movies where
Guys, WSMCO.com.
Are we
Thank
done?
you very much.
Oh, we're done. No, that's my line. Oh, we're done. Goodbye. Thank you.